Hey everybody, Chad here. About to make some more hanging baskets for Mother's Day for my mother-in-law. We're actually getting her a bird feeder, but we're not going to put bird seed on it and feed the birds because she doesn't like that because it makes a mess. Seeds get everywhere. Eventually you're just growing sunflowers. So we're going to put hanging baskets on the bird feeder. Genius idea, isn't it? And also the bird feeders are pretty sturdy in the ground compared to some of the little shepherd's hooks, so that's another reason. But anyways, we have here all proven winner stuff. Superbells yellow. We have here Superbells honeyberry in the back. This is that cool double one that looks kind of like roses a little bit. Superbell doublet love swept double. Awesome. And here we're going with, I was told these are really good, Superbenas. All the proven winner Superbenas are really great. So Superbena Sparkling Rose, 2 of those, and then 2 of the Superbells Holy Moly. So we're gonna put those in the back. I was thinking of alternating them every other one, but I think we'll just do these because they're gonna grow a little differently, then put these kind of coming out in the back. These are just gonna mix that in because I got one, it's extra. Might as well stick it in there and cram it all in because I see people doing that and I can't believe how much people could fit into a basket or one of these. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. And then up under here I have 2 smaller hanging baskets which we're just going to put a couple of these Supertunia Bubblegum Vista, Supertunia Vista Bubblegum, which go crazy, and if I put them with anything else they'd pretty much just take over and destroy everything because that's what they do, which is good. So we're just gonna let them fill those smaller ones up, hang down, and my mother-in-law really liked that from ours, so we're gonna have a couple of those too. And let's get going. These are nice, they're not too root bound, they're just right. Like Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. I'm not pushing these down because I'm gonna add about another inch or 2 of soil eventually. Making a mess as usual. All right. Oh yeah, these are nice. Barely have roots. No root bound anything. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I think that's good. Pat around the edges so water won't run out as easily. There we go. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty. Curious about those verbena. I want to see what those do. Here's our smaller baskets. I'm going to be pushing it to fit 3 of those in the back because this thing's big. It does trail nicely. I remember from a previous video when I was setting up our bird cages. Oh, that's down at the bottom already. Whoops. These things should only be about halfway down as far as roots. Yep, and then halfway. That looked nice. That looked nice. There's one of these. I probably just put one in here, but I'll probably put two. Not too pretty yet, but it will be. More for hours it gets in a couple weeks, it'll be going crazy. There you go. There's two baskets here with the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. And then we got our two baskets over there. Don't forget, when you're doing this, make sure you poke some holes in the basket at the bottom. They usually have some little circles. Get a screwdriver or a hammer or something and just hit it in there one time. It'll pop it open, and that way it'll drain good. I put a few little small rocks down over the holes so that the dirt doesn't clog down in there. And they drain really, really well because we've got some already set up, and so that makes it drain really nice, and you want it to be able to drain really good, so when it rains and storms it doesn't fill up and not go anywhere. So there you go, and we'll get this bird cage. I might set it up so I can go ahead and look at it. If I do, I'll come back on the video. We'll see. All right, there you have it. That is the Mother's Day present. We got the hanging baskets. Now it's a little crooked because I didn't put it in the ground quite as far as it would go, and didn't try to make it straight because this is not where it's going. This is the wrong house. It's going to another house. But bird feeder has a pretty secure bottom, has a little spike that goes down the ground, and the four other pieces that hammer in on the sides kind of spread it out, so it's pretty solid. Got all the chains on. I think they should be good. I used zip ties at the top because the hooks at the top for the smaller chains weren't good enough to go around the bird feeder. But anyways, so I think that'll look really nice. And it might just be leaning because this basket on the end is a little heavier. It's got a little more in it, but could just be that it's uneven. Who knows? But either way, it's pretty sturdy, a lot more sturdy than the little shepherd's hook we were using for ours, so we may have to get one of these for us too, put our bird houses on. Pretty happy with how that turned out. Flowers already looking good, and they've only been in for 20 minutes. you've actually got some room if you want. You got those smaller hooks in the middle that come down, so you could actually attach even more stuff if you had actual bird feeders or some kind of little small something. But anyway, happy how that turned out, and we'll get it set up at her house in a couple days for Mother's Day. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, send them all over to watch if you think it'll give them some good ideas out in the garden. And we will talk with you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.